Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ahmed Faidi, Manat Farul Language School, and now we'll explain a new video in geometry, expressing the directed line segment AB in terms of the position vectors of its ends. So if you have AB, directed line segment, and we have OA in position vector and OB in position vector, where A equal x1 and y1, B equal x2 and y2. So from subtraction rule, AB equals OB minus OA, OB directed line segment minus OA, where OB and OA are the two position vectors of the point B and A respectively. So if we want to find AB directed line segment, we can say OB, its mean OB in position vector, we can say vector B, and OA in position vector, so we can say vector A. So OAB directed line segment equal vector B minus vector A. So for example, if we have A7 and -1, B2 and 5, and we want to find AB directed line segment, so we can determine AB from the endpoints, the position of position vector of endpoints, of its endpoints, which is B minus A. So AB directed line segment equal vector B minus vector A, which is 2 and 5 minus vector A, which is 7 and -1. 2 minus 7 will be -5, and 5 minus -1 will be 6. Another example, we have ABCD is parallelogram, A2 and -1, B7 and 1, C4 and 4. Find coordinate of the point D. First, we must draw the figure or draw the parallelogram to know the direction. So we have A, B, C, D. We have A2 and -1, B7 and 1, and C4 and 4, and D. We want to find its coordinate. So we have from properties of parallelogram that AD is parallel to CB or BC, and the magnitude of AD or the length of AD equal the length of the line segment BC. So if we have AD parallel to CB and AD equal BC, so AD is equivalent to BC. So we can find AD by the last rule. We can say D minus A, and BC, which is equal C minus B. So D minus A, it's mean we want to find the coordinate of D. So we can find D equal, we can get or take -A to the other side with positive direction. So D equal vector A plus C plus vector B minus vector B. So by substitution, D equal 2 and -1 plus 4 and 4, ordered to be 4 and 4, which represent C, minus vector B, which is represented by 7 and 1. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 minus 7 will be -1. And -1 plus 4 equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to. So the coordinate of D will be -1 and 2. You can in parallelogram say if you want to find the fourth coordinate of the point D, we can use this as a rule: A plus C minus B, vector A plus vector C minus vector B to find D. Another example, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which A1 and -2, B9 and 0, C8 and 4, D0 and 2. Letter A, prove that AB, directed line segment, equivalent to DC. So we use the rule AB equal B minus A. So B equal 9 and 0 minus A, which is 1 and -2. So will be 9 minus 1 equals to 8, and 0 minus negative 2, which is 2. And we have DC, which is equal C minus D. So C equals 8 and 4 minus D, which is equal to 0 and 2. 8 minus 0 will be 8, 4 minus 2 will be 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, therefore AB is equal to DC. Letter B, letter B, we want to prove that AB is perpendicular to BC. So at first, AB equals 8 and 2, and we have BC equal C minus B, C equal 8 and 4 minus B, which is 9 and 0. So 8 minus 9, negative 1, 4 minus 0 will be 4. So if you want to find or to prove that AB perpendicular to BC, we'll use the rule since x1 times x2 plus y1 times y2 equals to 8 times negative 1 plus 2 multiplied by 4, so will be negative 8 plus 8 equals 0. Therefore AB is perpendicular to BC. We have here 3n minus 2AB equals 3CB plus 5BA. Prove that n is equal to CA. The vector n is equal to the directed line segment CA. So we have here 3n equal 3CB plus 5BA plus 2AB plus 2AB, and we have AB is equal to negative BA. So we have 3n equals 3CB plus 5BA minus 2BA. So 5 minus 2 will be 3BA. So 3CB plus 3BA equal to 3n, and takes 3 common factors. So 3n equals 3 multiplied by CB plus BA. So from triangle rule, so CB plus BA equal to CA. So 3n equal to 3CA, so cancel 3 with 3, so n is equivalent to CA.